Profit boost tip. One powerful secret to quickly stand out from a crowd to increase sales. There's one powerful marketing strategy that can quickly increase sales if executed correctly. If you can solve a major problem for your target audience and effectively communicate the benefits of your offer, you will instantly increase sales. A unique selling proposition, USP for short, is one powerful secret that can quickly differentiate your company compared to your competitors. You must be crystal clear what unique position your company has in the mind of your potential customers in your crowded marketplace. Unfortunately, when you ask any business owner to articulate clearly and concisely in one sentence or less what their unique selling proposition is, most business owners have no answer. Most companies have no USP, but only a me too business that feeds solely upon the momentum of the marketplace. There's nothing unique or distinct about what the company offers to its clients. Unfortunately, most business owners promise no great value, benefit, or service. Just buy from us for no justifiable reason. It's no surprise that most businesses lacking a USP or are under-promoting their USP merely survive and do not see an increase of sales year over year. The small business failure rate is increasing, and one main reason is that most businesses merely just exist without clearly communicating their real value. So why should a customer do business with you if you fail to offer any appealing promise, a unique feature, or special service that would solve their problem? In today's competitive marketplace, customers expect something special in exchange for their business or hard-earned dollars. It's not difficult to create a unique selling proposition for your company. Your USP must set you apart and make you different from your competitors. As a start, you need to ask yourself these two simple questions and have a clear response. Why do people do business with you now? And two, if they're not doing business with you now, why should they? Once you can clearly communicate what your ultimate advantage is in the marketplace, what sensational offer and powerful promise you can offer your target audience, then you can supercharge your business that 99% of your competitors are not doing. If you're new to our channel or enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you'd like additional marketing strategies to increase sales and boost profits, subscribe to our channel. If you would like help to create a unique selling proposition or effective strategies to differentiate your company from your competitors to increase sales, go to www.growthadvisorondemand.com. You can book your free profit boost call so you can see how we can help you identify additional ways to help you increase sales. It's a no obligation, no sales pitch call. We help businesses boost profits on a pay after results basis.